Welcome to another unboxing. We are looking at the Chaos Knights Army Set. This is an all-in-one box from Games Workshop. I don't think they've ever done this before where we have gotten a new army with codex and cards all included in one package. I don't think this has ever happened before, and I think it is a really fantastic, and it might be a little bit of insight into the future of releases coming out of Games Workshop, and I think that's kind of cool. I kind of like this idea of kind of an all-in-one, get your codex, get your data cards, everything you need to play. Basically, it's a one pickup and go kind of scenario, and I kind of like that. I'm all for it. So, Chaos Knights, and you can see the aberrant knight here, and he adorns the cover. And of course, basically this box is the knight, two of the war dogs, codex, and the cards all in one box. So we're gonna dive in, have a look. I know, enough gum flapping from me, so let's have a look here. So we got the box. Let's look at the back. Oh yeah, look at that. So we get the knight, we get two war dogs, we get the cards, we get the codex, all in one. My gosh, you know, it's one knight abominant, that's it. That's the word. I can read. Two war dogs, 112-page limited edition Codex Chaos Knights, 50 data cards, and a rules pack and assembly guide. That's what you get all in the box. So let's dive in. Let me grab my trusty rusty dull knife here, and let's just dive right into this thing. Ooh. Oh, that cellophane sound. Should get that as a ringtone. Yeah, let's flip it back over the other way. Oh, jeez. I heard something pop. All right. So we're diving in. Holy moly. Holy moly, look at that. Look at the detail. All right, so I'm going to assume these ones here are the war dogs because it's got the small little carapace. Look at that, it's got the chaos icon and the chains. It's got all the little doodads. Ooh. Wow, you got the little spikies and everything. This is the same sprue for, I would assume it's a duplicate. So you can do the two war dogs. I assume the other bits will probably be on a separate sprue. I guess no point in speculating about things, right? Let's just dive right in. So here is the big knight. Yeah, I love the impact marks. I guess where spikes are going to come out. I see the cover image. He's also got little birdies on him and everything like that. Lots of chains, lots of skulls, lots of chaos icons, lots of little spiky ends to things. Things that the details that are indicative of chaos, right? Ooh, look at the big plasma guns. Oh, look at that skull face thing. That is cool. Evil. It's got all the birds. Look at these sprues. Look at the skulls, the tentacles. Those tentacles are huge. This is very, very cool. Let's look at a war dog sprue. Yeah, he's got his legs. He's got his guns. Scary war dog faces. Chains and skulls. That pretty much is the mark of chaos, right? Chains and skulls. Skulls and chains. I assume this is a duplicate sprue. There's a duplicate. Yeah, it looks pretty duplicate to me. Yeah, that's a duplicate. Very, very cool. So you get two of those sprues. I would assume this is for the knight. It's got his armor, his legs. Oh, look at that banner piece. I assume that's the banner that hangs between the legs. I would assume. Lots of little chaosy knight bits. Head variants. There's like two here. There's one face there and there's one face there. Then he's got his little demon faces. Oh, there's another face right there. So there's options. There's options for this guy. I like options. Was this all weapons? Yeah, this is the knight's weapon sprue. Oh, I like that piece. Big armor plate with spikies on it. Ooh, man, this is the kind of thing that make me go back to chaos. I've been free of chaos for like 20 years. I kicked that habit. I stopped praying to the dark gods. Nice big piece of art in here. Very, very nice. Yeah, me likey. Me likey. Oh, they got a nice little plastic divider. It's like a clear plastic little divider in here. So we got our rule book. Oh, we got a nice big transfer sheet. Oh, we get 2 transfer sheets. Oh, look at that. 2 transfer sheets. Lots of icons on here. I assume this one's for the war dogs. I'm holding it upside down apparently. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, this one's for the war dogs. This one's for the big knight. Yeah. Me likey. Oh. So we got our codex. It's all wrapped up. It's got some instructions in it. It's behind the cellophane there. Do we need to have a talk with the codex? Maybe I'll have to do one of those. Plastic paper. Pretty big bases for the little war dogs. Big base for the knights. And we have our cards. 50 cards in here for the knights, and I assume the war dogs. Very, very, very cool. But yeah, that's it. Yeah, just a big plastic divider in here. Big old knight base. But that's it. That is the Night Chaos Knight Army Box unboxing. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. A big thank you to my patrons. Without their support, these videos would not be possible. If you're considering Patreon support, click the link in the description below. And there are various tiers of support. And a huge thank you to everybody who does and for their continued support. Take care of those brushes, and they'll take care of you.